Hey Leia users, today we're going over how to create a blog post. So in order to access the blog feature, you're going to need to upgrade to Leia Business. So we're in the mobile editor here. We're going to click on the icon in the bottom right to access the toolbox. We're going to scroll down a little bit and we're going to click on Write a Blog Post there in the center. And so what we're going to do is we have to create a name. So this is my landscape site. Let's talk about trees for this blog post. So let's say blog post about trees. And so we'll find an image. So let's just search trees. Sure, there's something nice in there. Yeah, that works. And then we have to add some content. So here is my tree blog content. Excellent. Then we can create the post. So Leia is going to load for a second, and she's going to tell us that if we want to edit this page, we have to go to our extra pages button in the toolbar. So we say we got it. So right here, we're on our main page here. Actually, let's scroll down. We can take a look at the post we just created. There's our lovely team, and there's our blog post about trees. That looks great. So in order to edit the content, you can edit stuff on here. You can edit the button and stuff. You can edit this, if you want to come here and edit the image, if you click on that image, you can replace the image there. So let's go ahead and open the toolbar back up. So we're going to click on extra pages right there in the center of the screen. So we're going to say we want to edit existing pages, and as you can see, I've made some other blog posts. So at the bottom there it says blog post about trees. So we're going to click on that. And that's going to take us into this other page. And you can edit this like any other element. This is another page, a separate page. So you're going to have its own header, and it's got its own section with the content. So you can edit any of these elements by clicking on them, and then you can edit your content here. You can, since you have access to the upgrades already, in order to blog, you can add something if you want to add elements. You can add an image if you want to. So then, boom, let's tap on the content. We wanted an image in this blog post, and you can also look in here. You also make sure you save your changes as you're doing these editing changes. You can change them in color. That's only going to affect the color on this page. It won't affect the color on all of your pages. You can edit the site metadata if you want to change the title of this page. And then you can also, from here, if you're done working here, you can click return to the main page. You can edit the page name here as well. And if you don't like this page, then you can go ahead and delete it. So yeah, so that's about it for blogging. We're going to return back to our main page, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact.